You guys send us tons of fan mail. Seriously, we have an entire gigantic box of things that we haven't even been able to open right over there. We sent a series where we fix all of your bad slimes that you send us because I genuinely believed that there wasn't a slime that we couldn't fix. But you guys are really starting to challenge me with that one. So we are going to continue the series and fix more of you guys' bad slimes. Starting with this one. This is our first box and it looks like it's from Christopher. Let's see what Christopher wants us to do. It says, "Hi Peachybbies, I was wondering if you could fix my slime. It rips easily and some of the charms are weird." I don't see any charms in here, but okay. Also, I have some little gifts inside the box and I hope you enjoy them. From Anna, not Christopher. P.S. Could you maybe make it a duck pond themed? Cute. So thank you, Anna, for all of the rainbow loom bands. So she gave us a slime and she gave us some little ducks. First, check and see. She said the slime was kind of weird. It looks fine. I'm not sure what's, oh yeah, it is kind of weird. It's a weird gooey texture. You can definitely tell that it's like a store-bought slime. We're cutting all of those out and keeping this middle bit. It's pretty, but we don't need it. So now we have this nice slime. Did she say anything about the texture? Does she not like the texture? Because if she doesn't mind it, I'm not gonna fix it. Oh, it rips very easily. It does rip very easily. I also realized I just missed a bead. Okay, so I think to fix that, we're probably gonna put some glycerin just to soften it up. I don't really wanna change too much about it, to be honest with you. I don't wanna mess with the vision too much. The next one will definitely mess with the vision though. Now we're gonna add our fish. I don't know if these are technically minnows, but I think that if I was a duck, I would enjoy consuming these fish. So we're gonna mix in some of those. So we have lilac, blue. I'm so sorry you matched the slime too well. No one can see you. Green and yellow. So here is Anna's final slime. I think it's actually pretty cute. You definitely did a good job with picking out the ducks. Okay, but now let's give it a real test for some ASMR. It's not rippy at all, which is exactly what she asked me to fix. So I think that it's technically still a good slime. Okay, next slime. So our next package is in a Peachybbies box. So thank you for purchasing, I appreciate it. Let's unbox and figure out what's going on here. We have this. I'm having trouble distinguishing the art, but I think it's really pretty. I like that. I like the bedazzling, cute. Then we have all of these, this bag, this bunny. So she said, I tried mixing slimes together. It didn't really work out. I was wondering if you would be able to fix them. I was also wondering if you could give me recommendations of slimes I could try mixing together. P.S. Mia and Kate. So I guess they mixed together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different slimes. Honestly, I'm kind of impressed because this is a pretty color. It doesn't smell the greatest. There's like a lot going on there, but I think it'll be a good challenge. The first step I think is going to be to de-slime the charms. This thing has been sitting in that hunk of slime for so long it turned pink. But with these, I think we're going to do kind of a cotton candy theme. We're going to do like a half pink, half blue. I also have a mixer because I'm going to be honest, this slime is like really chonk. Half the butter, a little chunk of that, a little bit of sky blue, and then a tiny bit of royal blue. Let's mix. I think it's done. So we did actually manage to change it into a pretty blue color. So this one is just gonna be a true pink. Okay, so we have our pink. We're gonna do a little log. This is a pretty cute slime. So I always put the charms in first. We'll put the cloud and then this little dog, which I'm now realizing doesn't really match the vibe, but I think he's cute anyways. Just accept him and let him exist. Mia and Kate's Cotton Candy Dreamland. That one's pretty cute. So this one has a story behind it. It says, Dear Peachybbies, I'm Alisandra from San Francisco. Micah emailed me that he'd love to repair my slime. It's 1 year old and very rubbery. Micah, she's actually a girl. She's part of our customer service team. I don't want to open this like in a rude way, but I don't know how else I'm supposed to open. It is a Rainbow Slime Cafe. I've never heard of this, but it looks like it's a slime kit. There's not even a slime in this little pamphlet that looks like this slime, so I'm not really sure what happened here. Let's get this out and see what we're working with. Immediately, I don't think that this is even a slime, respectfully. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. Look, Alisandra, I'm gonna be very, very honest with you. This slime was really bad. And you know, sometimes when a slime is really bad, can't really be fixed. Anyways, the point of the story is we're gonna recreate your slime with slime that doesn't suck. So let's grab some different ingredients for this. We don't have any icy slimes, but I'm gonna create our own icy slime, starting with this caterpillar. He's being absorbed. Now, we'll just keep doing that until it turns into an icy slime. I recently found out that people who put together puzzles will go and compete, and like the fastest puzzle putter together wins. I wonder if they have like a fastest color matcher and if I could win, because I feel like they're very close. Let's do a nice little log. Theirs was swirly as well. I wanted to add more beads because our beads kind of disappeared into the base. That did not go as well as I had hoped it would. Sir, oh my God, stop. Here's our final product, Sunset Sherbet Piggy. That is its name, Alisandra. I hope you like your new slime. Let's give it a mix and kind of rate the ASMR though, because that's the real judge. Sir? Oh, it is pretty sizzly. Now that we finished Alisandra's slime, let's move on to another one. We have a box from Sabrina. We have a note, our slime. I don't know how well you can see, but it's moving around in there. And there's a little bit of viscous, semi-opaque white liquid. Then she also sent us glow powder that I guess she opened, but she just wanted us to put it in for her. And some activator. What does her note say? Dear Peachybbies, I love your videos. Please make me a slime. Can you make me a thick and glossy cat slime? All thick and glossy slime. And then right here, she's like light pink and light blue and a cat charm. She said all thick and glossy slime, so we have some thick and glossy. We're gonna mix it with hers because this just isn't enough to fit in like a Peachybbies jar. So this will be our base, and this is just, you know, to build it up. We're gonna add the glow in the dark, because why not? Let's mix all this together first, and then we'll split it in half and dye it. Fully incorporated. It's a really good slime now. It's a little bit overactivated. Pretty good slime. Feels like a thick and glossy, but maybe just like a little bit rubberier. I think it's just whatever they put in it. So we're gonna chop this in half. Half is gonna be rose pink and half is gonna be sky blue. Let's start with the pink one because I like the pink one a lot. For Sabrina's slime. So let's see, hopefully I'm not wrong. This looks really red. Okay, pink, blue, just a little bit. Quick vibe check. We have our light pink and we have our light blue. I feel like that's a pretty good match. I'm pretty content with that. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna do exactly what she did, which is the half and half. It's pretty half and half. Now, the most important part of this entire video, she asked for cat charms. Let's add on our little paw. They're not sticking. Our little paws. And then our cat possums. And there we have Savannah's final slime. Cotton candy cats. Moment of truth, we need to do some ASMR with Savannah's slime. I'm never very good at getting like the clicks. Everybody else does it. I can't do it very well. Thank you, Sabrina, for your suggestion of the cotton candy cats. Let's move on to the next slime. This one is really well decorated. I thought this was so cute. So naturally, we had to put it in the video. She got us a slime. This one's in a little Squishmallow container. So her note says, Dear Peachybbies, these are my slimes. So the one in the ball, you can do anything you want, but the pink one, I want it to smell better and less boring and more like cloud slime. Please return. It almost smells like a food, like a fried food, but this one I can do anything I want with. My idea, I think we're gonna do like a DIY kit slime where this goes on top of this. Let's first turn this into like a proper cloud slime. Piper wants this slime. Ooh, that is a weird texture. It's like a chewed bubble gum where it feels like kind of rubbery and weird. That's definitely the vibe I'm getting from this one. So we definitely need to transform this, and how we're gonna do that is by putting some of our own cloud slime in it. So let's just mix it half and half and see what we get. but she also said she wants it to smell better, and I kind of want to give it a theme. Let's first scent it with the cotton candy scent. This isn't my favorite one, but it is pretty good. And I want to take this and turn it into a 3-colored slime. First, we have plum purple. Now let's do blueberry blue. I did name all of these myself. It's a blueberry ice cream, like a blueberry cheesecake maybe. The purple one is grape. And then the top layer is gonna be strawberry, because all pink ice creams are probably strawberry. For the ball, it's really rubbery, so I don't know how much we can really do with it, but I think we can mix it with clear slime, and then it could be a really pretty topping for the ice cream. Let's dye it purple. I think a purple syrup would look quite cute. I think our slime should be done. We have some different options for sprinkles. Let's do a little bit of a mixy mix with this one, and let's add some pink to really make sure that it has like all the colors. So I think the sprinkles really complement the colors. It's like them, but a little bit brighter. I think it's gonna be really cute. So let's go ahead and add that. So let's add our little bunny here, and then a little axolotl friend next to him. And here is Piper's Cosmic Ice Cream Sundae. So we need to do a little bit of ASMR. Since this is a cloud slime, it's gonna be more drizzly than it is like bubble poppy, but it's still really pretty. Let's see if this one has any like bubble ASMR. A little bit. Cute. And then let's see if we can get one drizzle out of it. It seems like it's lost a tiny bit of its drizzle, but overall I think it's pretty drizzly. Hopefully Piper loves her slime. If you guys want a chance to have your slimes fixed, don't forget to send us slimes to our PO box. Please don't send us any more food slimes though. I really have to request that because that was really gross. But we will see you guys in the next video.